Hello everyone. Hope you all are stay safe at home and here wishing everyone have a great day. Myself Shravani Banerjee. I am a final year student of Rajendranath College of Polytechnic and my stream is Computer Science and Technology. Here I express my gratitude towards my college, my respected chairman sir, CEO sir, principal sir, my HOD sir and my faculty teachers of CST department for the online classes. As of we all know the current situation in India, not actually in India, in worldwide, we are currently facing right now for COVID-19. We can't go outside. We can't supposed to do our regular basis work. We have to stay at our home for 24 into 7 hours. So while living at home, it's great that we are still connected to our studies in a very convenient way through technology such as Skype, Zoom, WebEx video calling softwares where teachers have taken regular basis classes, given regular assignments, and also taken tests, which is very much helpful for the students for their upcoming semester, and where we able to learn efficiently and clear our doubts whenever required. I think we actually find a way to complete our syllabus, and for that, I am very much thankful to my college, Rajendranath College of Polytechnic, for their great initiative. Sometimes may there are network problems, but overall it is a very good start with a worthwhile experience with many more benefits. So thank you so much and I hope you all are stay safe at home. Thank you.
Good evening. I am a Guddu Kumar, third year mechanical student of Rajendranath College of Polytechnic. First of all, thank you to all teachers who providing us to video classes during lockdown session. We all know that the government has declared to our classes will be suspended for further instruction, so we can study at home as they creating the live video even topic wise video session. It is the very beneficial for us, so thank you all teacher for encouraging us. Thank you sir, thank you so much.
नमस्ते। मैं मौसमी बावरी। मैं राजेंद्रनाथ कॉलेज ऑफ पॉलिटेक्निक में सीएसटी सेकेंड ईयर डिपार्टमेंट की स्टूडेंट हूँ। आजकल ये जो कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हमारे कॉलेज बंद होने के कारण हम सभी स्टूडेंट को पढ़ाई में बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो रही थी। हम सब अपनी पढ़ाई ठीक से नहीं कर पा रहे थे, लेकिन हमारे कॉलेज के अध्यापकों ने मिलकर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कराना स्टार्ट किया, जो कि हर रोज़ एक पर्टिकुलर स्केड्यूल को मान के रूटीन वाइज हम सभी को ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कराया जाता है। उन क्लासों में हमारे प्रैक्टिकल, असाइनमेंट, लैब मैनुअल पेपर ये सब भी दिए जाते हैं। इसको छोड़कर नोट्स, पीपीटी और हर अलग अलग चैप्टर के लिए अलग अलग पीपीटीज भी दिए जाते हैं। और कभी कभी ऑनलाइन परीक्षा भी लिए जाते हैं ताकि हम ये देख सके कि हम अपने एग्ज़ाम के लिए अपने आप को कितना तैयार कर पाए हैं। ये सभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की वजह से हम अपने पढ़ाई रेगुलरली कंप्लीट कर पा रहे हैं और हम अपने सेमेस्टर के लिए भी अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन भी ले पा रहे हैं। इसकी वजह से मैं राजेंद्रनाथ कॉलेज ऑफ पॉलिटेक्निक को अपने सच्चे दिल से धन्यवाद कहती हूँ। थैंक यू।
Myself Shubhoit Machi from SISH Department, Rajanan College of Polytechnic, Durgapur. As we all know that due to coronavirus, all the institution, college, school are off. So our study was not running in the institution. But our college, Rajanan College of Polytechnic, taking initiative to online classes for the students for their better studies. So we are getting all the class notes, project, PPT, assignments, even class tests also through virtual medium. I am very much thankful to our teachers for taking this kind of helpful initiative. Thank you.
Hello, I am Devangana Chanto and I am a student of second year CST from Rajendranath College of Polytechnic, Durgapur. Today I am going to tell you the benefits that I am getting from my college in this pandemic situation throughout the global. As we are maintaining the social distancing, we are not being able to attend the classes physically, but virtually we can. We are attending the classes online, organized by our beloved faculties. We have our scheduled online classes every day, by which we can prepare our syllabus for our semesters. Not only the classes. We are getting chapter-wise notes, presentations, assignments. Even we are being able to do our lab works. I am really thankful to our most beloved teachers. The way they are guiding us each and every day. And I feel my luck that I am also a part of Rajendranath College of Polytechnic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mausmi Das. I am a student of Rajendranath College of Polytechnic. I am a second year student and my stream is electrical. We are in a medical emergency, we are in a pandemic situation. We are not able to go to the college, but we have to study. So I just want to thank my all faculties of Rajendranath College of Polytechnic. They are still taking our online classes, they are still providing us notes. So this is very helpful to cope up our syllabus. So I just want to thank them and please stay safe and stay home. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjeev Kumar Roy and I am from Rajendranath College of Polytechnic, Durgapur, Electrical Department, second year. As we all going through a pandemic situation due to COVID-19, we are very tensed about our study. But we are very thankful to our college, Rajendranath College of Polytechnic, that they arrange online classes on Skype with our safety in mind. Our teachers are giving valuable efforts and working hard to teach us and to make us knowledgeable. They are providing us all the necessary study materials and taking care of our progress. And lastly, I just thank to our principal sir, our HOD sir, and including all the teachers that they didn't let us to stop our study. And hope our Mother Earth will heal itself and will overcome this situation very soon. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.